up, guys? So on today's episode of Pit My Ride here at Speedhaus, we're going to be putting this car on some lowering springs, some wheel spacers, some aftermarket lug bolts, and get it sitting real nice and good. We also have some new wheels on the way for it. They'll be here today. We're also putting those on, changing out the wheels, getting some really killer fitment. Okay, so we're going to be putting H&R sport springs on this car. Here's the H&R lowering springs. We're also using H&R spacers and the longer lug bolts. You have a spacer, so like a very important step is you need to get longer wheel bolts because your factory runs will be too short. They could cause your wheel to fall off the car, which will be a disaster.
Captures a frightening crash.
Now we're going to start tearing the car down.
Okay, so what's first?
Pull all the wheels off, and then we'll start pulling shocks and struts out so we can put springs on. I don't like that. There's a better way to word that, Trevor. Rubber.
Okay, so once you get the spring off, just go ahead and put the other one back on.
And I will say it's much easier on stock suspension. If you have Bilstein shocks, you're gonna hate life. They're a little bit longer than factory. Spring looks a little bit longer. Yeah, they don't come off real easy. Word of advice: if you have Bilsteins, rotate the spring down past here. You'll be able to get it off. And the other way, not gonna come off. Dropping this car. Drop her to the floor. And just like that, we have the first spring in the car. Ta-da! Now we'll move on to the other three. Wow. Ta-da! Next step, we're currently putting on the wheel spacers, so longer lug bolts. He tried, failed.
Oh.
So here's our nice new wheels, or nice new wheels for him anyways. Pretty cool, little 340 wheels on a 335i. That's a love tap.
The new wheels are on. We're gonna drop it and see what it looks like for the first time. Oh, that looks good.
Should be
That looks real good.
Dude, I like this color. I do too. What is it? The M3 Rep.
I thought it looked slightly different on the M3.
It's the M3 Rep, but like it's because the M3.
There's something different in the center.
The M3 has had the grills here. The true M3. So they call it the M3 Rep, but like it's
Subtle differences.
yep.
It looks good. I like it.
Wheels are on. Springs are on. Spacers on. Lug bolts are in.
Fitment dialed.
Fitment dialed.
No rubbing.
No rubbing at all. She'll settle a little bit after he drives, but I still think she'll be perfect fitment.